How to get profitable testimonials for your business. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your own profitable testimonials for your business. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, first off, you need to understand what is the purpose of having testimonials on your website and how are they actually helpful. So to get started, let's say I have this business over here. Maybe this is a bag selling business, like a leather arts and crafts business, whatever kind of business it might be. You can just go onto your website and you can see that you can run any kind of business, and it's going to be very helpful if people have left reviews or left testimonials about the services or products that you are offering. If other consumers find those testimonials or find those kinds of things, they would be very happy to hear that, because they would know that, oh, this product that they are purchasing or this service that they are purchasing is already vetted by other people as well, and other people like that product or service as well. So you can see anything from this little preschool website that I created. You can click on here from the parent. So this is like a testimonial page basically, but I haven't really named it testimonials. I've just named it here from the parent. So other parents that are looking to enroll their children into this preschool can hear what this school experience is already like. So you can click on this over here, and then you can add your testimonial. Now you might be wondering, hey, I sell good products, I sell good services, whatever offer that you're providing in your business, it's a good thing, but you feel like not a lot of people review your product or leave testimonials. So how can you actually encourage your customers to leave a review or to actually post a testimonial about your product or about your service? Well, there are quite a few ways that you can do that, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can get started with this from your website. So the first thing that I recommend is you can see I have this little section over here, which is here from the parents. So what I would usually do is for this kind of preschool website, what I would do is I would go onto the website over here. So I'm just going to go onto the website editor, and what you can do is you can first off, this is the first step, you can provide a tiny incentive to people that provide testimonials. So you can give them maybe a special offer, you can give them a special discount, you can provide them with special gifts or incentives, any kind of incentive to actually post a review or actually post a testimonial. Now, you need to keep that in mind that this testimonial or review will not necessarily be a positive one. You're just providing a incentive for the person to test your product or service. So you can see over here, I have this page. So what I would do is I would click on the pages section on the top over here. I'm going to go into the hear from the parents page. And what I would usually do is I would create a pop-up box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the add to site section, and here I'm going to click on contact and form. And I'm just going to take a simple contact form, and I'm going to click on form settings. And I'm going to customize this form. So I'm going to click on add new field, or you can just leave the form over here. So you can just click on publish. So I'm just going to leave the form right over here, and then I'm going to click on select site over here to lead me to my Wix website dashboard. So this is actually the website management dashboard, and I'm going to open up the form from there, and I'm going to customize the fields in the form. So what am I going to actually customize in this kind of form? That would actually be a testimonial form that people can sign up for to receive maybe a free tour of our preschool, or to get a maybe a interactive session with the teachers or something like that. So I'm going to click on contact over here, or I'm going to scroll down, and I'm just going to take a look at my forms. Yeah, so I'm going to click on forms and submissions in my communication, and I'm going to click on open form over here. So this is the form that I have, and I'm going to click on this little form. I'm going to click on edit form, or you can click on view submissions table just to see what the form currently has, but I'm just going to wait and open this up over here. We're just going to open this up, and I have different submission fields in this as well. And what I'm just going to do is I'm going to customize this to fit a testimonial form. So you can also just click on edit form or view submission table to see your pre-existing submissions as well. I'm just going to click on here from the parents, and I have this contact form, so I'm just going to click on add new field. And now you can see I have all of these different fields added, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all of these excess fields like the address and stuff. So I'm just going to make this a simplified form like this one, waiting for this to load, and I will add leave your testimonial to receive a one-on-one parenting course by our trained staff and teachers. So for this preschool, I am going to give the parents a one-on-one session with the staff and teachers on how to parent and stuff like that. So I'm just going to do this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add new field and the first name, last name, and then basic field. I'm going to go in basic fields, and I'm going to click on text field, a long answer field. I'm just going to add a long answer field, and I'm going to click on edit field. I'm going to add the field title as your experience with us, like this. And just like that, we're just going to click on settings. We are just going to click on design. They can also change the design of this one. And I'm going to click on edit field, and I'm going to make this a required field, and then I'm going to make the first name as a required field as well. I'm going to delete that, and I'm just going to move this like so. And now just like that, people can easily just leave you testimonials, and they will have a incentive to actually leave that testimonial. This is one way to encourage people to give you reviews, especially when they're getting a freebie. So if you are a business, like this is a preschool, so obviously the freebie is not really that exciting, but if you have like a clothing business like this one or a leather crafts business like this one, you can offer them a free wallet or a free t-shirt if they leave a testimonial. So that would be one way to get people to leave more reviews. Now, to get people to leave more reviews is by having a Google business profile. So if I search for clothing and if I open up this over here, so if I click on any of these reviews, I have Google reviews pending as well. So Google reviews are one of the most important things that you need to have, and I would recommend that you set up your Google business profile and then you link that to your website or to whatever platform that you have, and encourage users to review you on Google to also get more incentives, and make sure that you are adding many different kinds of testimonials. So let's say if I go back onto my basic Wix platform, if I go onto the preschool website, then what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to leave like one kind of testimonial. So let's say I have a testimonial from 2 parents. Then what I would usually do is after adding the testimonial from 2 parents from like a loving family home, I would also add a testimonial from a single mother. So there needs to be variation, there needs to be variability within your testimonials for people to be able to actually believe in them and to feel like, oh, this is like a legitimate business. They have like really nice testimonials. A lot of different people are interested in their work or in their product or in their service. So that is one way you need to illustrate your testimonials or your reviews. So these are just some quick tips and tricks I have for you guys to begin receiving more reviews or testimonials on your business. Now, there are many other things you can do other than just providing freebies and setting up your Google business profile. You can also leave email marketing campaigns. So you can go on to MailChimp.com and you can set up automation in which whenever a purchases a product, you can send them an email after 1 week or after a couple of days to review that product on your website. Usually that also works sometimes, and it is one simple and free way to also encourage people to leave reviews. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.